In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Facebook. So first of all, you log into your Facebook account, and once you're logged in, click on this square here in the top right corner, and then you go down to events. Once you click on it, this page will come up. You go to the left hand side and click on create event, and here you get to choose if you want to create the event for yourself or for one of the pages that you manage. In this case, I'm going to use a page that I have that is called Happy Dog Island, so I'm just gonna make sure that it's selected, and once I do that, I'll get to name my event. And then name it whatever you want. And here you get to select a date. I'm gonna choose March 27th, and I'm gonna make the event start at 10:30 a.m. Here you get to decide if it's an in-person event or a virtual. I'm going to select a virtual. And here you get to decide if you want to connect it to a Facebook Live, if you want to do a Facebook Live event. I don't. I'm gonna choose an external link, and I'm gonna add a link to our website. So when people get on, click the link and go to the website, they'll get to sign up for the live event where we're going to, promote a product or whatever you want to do. If you want to promote a product, and it's a product promotion. If you want to just do an event to get together with people and share your experience and expertise and have them share their experience and expertise, and you do the same thing. So we select the external link. Here you can add details to the event. I'm just going to leave it blank. And then in this section, market your event. Here you get to choose category that will make it easier for people to discover and find your event. What is it? Is it a professional networking, virtual, home gardening, party, social, issues, comedy, crafts? You get to choose a topic that is relevant to you. In this case, I'm just gonna go for crafts. And if you want to add a host, you can add a host. I'm not gonna add anyone, but if you are, then you just type their name and then they will show up, for example. And you can, let's go up here, you can hide the event from specific countries. I'm not going to, but you get the point here. You get to select the countries, but I'm not gonna do it for this. And you get to decide if the event should be repeated or not. I don't want it to be repeated. You can choose it daily, weekly, custom, or choose to select whatever you wish. Communication settings, show guest list. If you have a guest list, then you can show it, or you can choose to unselect it. Only hosts can post an event. If you want the people that attend the event to participate by posting, then you need to uncheck this. For participation purposes, I'm going to leave it unchecked. And then here, posts must be approved by host. You can choose that if you allow people to post on your event. That could be something good to do, but I like to leave it unchecked. Let people ask your questions about this event over Messenger. Why not? People should be able to ask you questions. Once you've filled out the information, you go down here and you click create event. That's how simple and easy it is for you to create an event. Now you have an event. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to boost your event. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.